Mm. Did you know that skipping preventive maintenance could cost you tens of thousands in repairs and even cut your equipment's lifespan in half? Hi everyone, I'm Gary Ward, and today we're talking about preventive maintenance, the silent hero in keeping facilities safe, efficient, and cost-effective. Whether you manage schools, hospitals, or commercial spaces, this video will show you why a strong preventive maintenance plan is non-negotiable. Buildings are like cars. They need care to avoid breakdowns. In the US, 40% of public schools and 33% of hospitals are over 50 years old. Think about that. The situation is the same in most countries around the world. These aging buildings rely on systems like air conditioning, boilers, and elevators that weren't built to last forever. Without regular checks, small issues like pressure leaks or worn fans can snowball into emergency repairs costing thousands. Here's a real example. A routine HVAC check uncovered a small refrigerant leak. Fixing it cost $500. Had it gone unnoticed, the equipment would have failed, leading to a $5,000 replacement and downtime. Preventive maintenance doesn't just save money, it stops disasters before they happen. Let's break it down. Proper maintenance extends equipment lifespans significantly. Air conditioners, 15 years. Boilers, up to 35 years. Fans and pumps, 20 to 25 years. Without preventive care, these lifespans shrink, leading to unexpected failures and massive expenses. A strong preventive maintenance plan makes your equipment and your budget go the distance. To build a successful preventive maintenance program, focus on three things. First, track your assets. Maintain updated records of all systems like aircon units, lifts, elevators, and pumps, including install dates and conditions. Second, schedule checks. Create a maintenance calendar. Some systems need quarterly checks, others yearly. Third, train your team. Equip your staff with skills and tools to identify problems early and act fast. Preventive maintenance isn't just about fixing machines. It's about creating a proactive culture. Celebrate wins with your team, whether it's through public recognition, extra time off, or small rewards. Keeping your team engaged is key to a successful program. Preventive maintenance is the unsung hero of facility management. It reduces costs, extends equipment life, and ensures your buildings run at peak efficiency. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on facility management. Let's keep our facilities running smoothly, one check at a time.